Yeah, Shimfethu. Actually, personally, I'm highly disappointed, Brayaka. Because now it seems like I forest that league has already left us. It's a mile, but then
Left us, John Pagania. There's 9 games to go.
I know.
Yeah.
You know how Sundowns does when it comes to such moments, Brayaka. Sundowns are strong and they tend to score more goals. Sundowns, Brayaka. So from now, from Tuesday, of which is Brayaka. Navela, I'm not happy about today's games. I will never lie to that, Brayaka. They are killing the spirit of the players. Even you saw today, center line. They're bound to come and sing with the supporters, but today the players were standing apart. Another player was playing, another player was there, and another player was there. Katabayang had the supporters, which is totally uncalled for. So on a issue, starting from today, the supporter, if Aunya Kuta Stadium, club wish the play, rather stay at home, watch it on TV, put them in your TV. Serious, get the hoop our feet.
So today, on an Tata will be the guy.
Utata. It was a 1-1 throw, then the players were delaying with the ball.
Who was delaying?
Starting Kakasiyama Prayak. We had options. We are using wingers today. We had no play center line, but we were using wingers. Sibili Willy was running, opting for a ball, but Siyama was delaying plays. Chain, the very same thing. So these two, Nkaribari Kostile, but what's about reblame the player. So yeah.
Man of the match?
For Naprayak, I'll never lie. CBC played for now today. He did a lot, yeah.
Alright, thanks Pagania. Bopa.
Hey, umfowethu. Kubhlungu mfowami. Iluza kusinto sithi nje ngamanje.
Akusiyiluzi i-draw Pagania.
Iluzi kimi ngiyaxolisa, i-draw. Kodwa i-draw mfowethu akusinto sithi nje ngamanje. Kubhlungu mfowethu ngoba sekumele manje siyohlala inhliziyo siyiphethe ngezandla uma kudlala amanye amaqembu. Sekumele siyominya manje kuyinto esingayijwayele mfowethu. Kodwa ke into engayinika amabhakaniya namhlanje ngicela sibe nogqozo nofuqufuqu bafowethu. Sithemba ukuthi ukuhlehla kwenqama mfowethu akusekubaleka kwayo. Ukushaya ngenduku eyodwa futhi akungasithusi. Njengamanje thina asohlala ethembeni bafowethu. Sibe nokuthembela kumqeqeshi sibese kunokuthembela la kubo badlali bethu ukuthi kukhona abazozilethela khona okuhle ngoba kulonyaka bafowethu ileague seyicele Soweto. Ileague yona into esiyifunayo Soweto kulonyaka. So engakusho nje kubalandeli ukuthi bafowethu akuphelanga. Amathuba asekhona kakhulu futhi. Asiqhubekeni sibe nalo uqozi lokusupporta iqembu lethu. Siyeke nalento yokuthethisa abadlali bakithi. Lento okuthethisa abadlali siyabalandeli iyona ecishe isibulalele abadlali bethu. Ayikho right lento bafowethu la abantu baabantu nabo. Cela sibacabangele nkosiyamba abantu nabo. Lapha phakathi enkundleni akukho lula bafowethu. Kusuke kunzima. So thina into sizele la ukuzokweseka. Asizele ukuzoahlulela asikwazi ukujaja thina bafowethu. Ngoba singaphandle nje kwasihlula nathi ukuthi sibe lapha ngaphakathi. So bafowethu cela simeni nabo abadlali bethu. Umdlali nayenza iphutha asimeni naye bafowethu.
No, thanks Pagania. Man of the match?
Hey, cha uvimbile goalkeeper wale eswelele bafowethu. Cha uyayideserve man of the match uvimbile lo amfolo. Uyayideserve goalkeeper oswelele kit. Cha man of the match akayithatha uyayideserve.
You think we must sign him?
Angizange mfowethu.
Ngithi ucabanga ukuthi simsign?
Hayi, si right. Cha si right. Hayi si right ngaye. Cha lutho si right ngaye.
Alright, no thanks Pagania. Bopa.
Shofman Ferre. Bafowethu yazi ukuthi inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu athi. Inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu Pagania. Says that yazi angazi ukuthi ngiveza kanjani awuthami. Sho ukuthi ucoach lona mfethu yabona ufaka le ntwana encane. Yabona ufaka le ntwana encane lona na uwotho mfethu asikho ku Champions League thina. Asikho ku Champions League. Thina sidla sifocus kuphi ku league. La yabona akalahlela umjitha awuthami. Ngikwatile that's why ngenza kanje awuthami. Akalahlela umjitha i-first 11 esiwina ngayo. Iyona awuthami esifunayo. Yabona kunjani? Notito siyamfuna awuthami. Yabona ukuthi umnandi uthini ama 1-2 yabona manje. Ayikho into eningi mfethu enjani ufuna ukuringa. So that ucoach uyasidelela sometimes. Ucoach mela afaka uwotho yalo ukuyabona ya undaba komnandi untwana yebo uGrand mara uhotel abasifuna experience athiyami melanga sinjani siluze any game manje any game esihlangana nayo athiyamele siwin shuthi no coach lona mele kanjani a respect nathi thina ama support ukuthini akafakele first 11 esijwayela athiyami nothing much athiyami nabalandeli njani saba support kodwa akasikaye the very first 11 nama chance athiyami nama chance amaningi athiyami mabhaya ama chance mabhaya ama straight kick ayikho into esigaya yona for manje ayikho into esigaya yona awashuti bafuna ukudlala one touch until egedini shoot awuthama ufere yabo mawufere shooter wenza njani ushaya igoli ayikabe awuthami namajita la it draw is not on a bad result yabona it draw is not a bad result
Man of the match today, Pagania.
afuna ucama manga awuthami yabona bani lomjita lo goalkeeper lo umnandi awuthami afuna ucama manga ugoalkeeper esiwelela umnandi bafowethu lokho singakubeka eceleni ugoalkeeper umnandi ayikho into engayifihla just that kodwa the strikers mahopa no loba lentwana no mana bathina sikhupha nama socks man asikhupha nama socks bafethu squad inhliziyo ezibuhlungu awuthami this is a draw awuthami kunini bashaya amapali no man sure awuthami
Thanks, Pagania.
Bafethu asibhekeni iSundowns ine indlela yayo yokuwina ileague masikhuluma iVAR thina we are consistent each and every season we are consistent mara siwin ileague today it shows ukuthi that consistency iSundowns enayo it can happen this season. You understand? Go. I understand. Okay. More understand. Sundowns he win 8 times in a row. We understand the go. Yeah. Inendlela yayo yokuwina league. Thina siyiPirates sisafuna njengamagundwane sisafuna we understand. Yeah, sisafuna ukuwina. Okusalayo sizoyiwina.
Indlela yethu.
Hayi ukuthi iSundowns invincible. Ayikho invincible. iSundowns nayo inama potholes. Uyayithola inama potholes iSundowns. We understand. Namhlanje silahlile. Isiwelele sasibamba. Hayi kusidlile sisibambile.
Ingcono 1 point.
Yeah, man. It's not over until God says it's over. I think sonke siyakhona ukubona ukuzwa ngalo izwi lelo lisho kanjalo. I think also this is the competition that we've been waiting for a very long time. And ukhumbula ukuthi it's not easy to win ama game. Njalo win ama game. Ku-heavy nyana ngi-heavy manje because ngiyazi ukuthi iSundowns mayisuka la ikhona into engayenza but nakhona asiluzanga, we didn't lose the game yabo. So yeah, I still believe ukuthi we can do this.
Yeah, still believe we can do this. Asanda, who was your standout performer today?
Yeah, yazi ungabuka kancane. I think Umbatha for mina today. No, he played a very big role today. Ngokuzimisela in the middle. No matter singaba nazo izinto singaboni ngaso lunye. Nokuthi ubani nobani udlala kanjani nobani, but Umbatha for mina he stand up today. Udlale kahle kakhulu, ngiyambeka vele ku man of the match for today because bungeke ubone but indlela abadlala ngayo lapha ku middle they are doing a very big role. Yeah.
And then we saw Master Chef today after a long time coming in for Ukhehleni. Do you think now we should start or do you think we should gradually bring him in the team?
Yeah. Let me welcome the boy first as well because khumbula ukuthi makangekho emagemini amaningi. So ngiyamamukela kakhulu umboy makabuye egemini. Inkulumo ezikhulunywa ngabanye abantu bangazinaki man. Even amanye ama fans akhuluma ukuthi hi this and this is happening to him. Abantu bayagosipa, people who always gossip, you understand? Yeah. And siphila lokho empilweni. So uboy anganaki nabantu abamfollow abamthandayo abamlandelayo banganaki lezo zinto lezo. There's nothing like that. Umuntu mangabonakala ngethimini akusho ukuthi kunento personal for yena empilweni yakhe. Cha, siyazi ukuthi ube nenokho, so we will take that. Yeah.
Nyaguzo Asanda. It's 9 cup finals to go. Do you think we must win all those games now? Because now there's no room for error now, and it's no longer in our hands. Now we'll be relying on our noisy neighbors to help us and do a job on Sundowns.
Yeah, that is why I'm saying it's not over until God says it's over. I also added by saying ukuthi we cannot able to win all the games as long as we don't lose. Yeah, we can take the draw, bro, because ngabantu phela nabo laba kusimatshe ngabantu, yabona. So somehow we will draw and we carry on. Carry on, bro. Yeah.
No, thanks Asanda. Bopa.
Mara sometimes into nka play madinto coach mara di player tona finishing ya Pirates ya leka. Ayaleka finishing ya Pirates. Every game Pirates missed that opportunity. Coach Fandari hana buthata mara di player tona.
Do you think we have a finishing problem, Pagania?
Definitely. We're not scoring, my brother. Yeah. We're not scoring. And if we're not scoring, we're not going to win this league. We won't going to win this league if we're not scoring. Winning the league needs consistency. And we need to start scoring goals. Because at the end of the day, that league is going to be decided by goals. And sometimes they keep scoring goals and we're not scoring. And that is our biggest downfall, my brother.
So solutions, Pagania, we're not scoring. What is your solution?
Na solution la ka kuri finishing coach. Or
Striker coach.
Striker coach, yeah. Itile ka bona vele da pele vele bantu ba finish. Every game into Pirates missed an opportunity.
Yeah, true. I still believe Mabasa was going to help us in this league. There was no reason to send him away. Because Mabasa is better than Butuma, truly speaking. We need Mabasa here, but it is what it is. Let's keep fighting. The league is still on. Let's keep having faith in Mapagania. It's a second league.
9 cup finals to go, Pagania. Do you think we're going to take this league?
Yeah, hope man ish. I'm a income. Once and always.
Our noisy neighbors will hold Kaizer Chiefs for Sundowns for us. Sundowns is not going to beat Kaizer Chiefs. So our brother is going to help us.
Last question, standout performer for you?
Ricardo goes. He was the difference today. We should be certain we should have won this game.
Ricardo goes.
Do you think we should go and get him?
No. It's too late.
One game doesn't make you perfect.
Yeah. Thank you.
No, thanks, Mapagania. Bopa.